Hey guys, welcome back. It's Tanaeah and I'm back with the Get Ready With Me, and I will be doing my hair, my makeup. This will be a lace frontal wig install, so just stay tuned and watch. Right now, starting with the hair first, and I'm doing 3 layers of glue first, and then you'll see me apply the wig and do my makeup. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment below, and hit the notification bell. And I just put my hair in some braids to the back, and I make sure I cleaned off like my edges and my forehead with some witch hazel. And I'm not using like the bald cap method or whatever, because me personally, for my own self, I don't like it. I have like a pretty like small forehead and low hairline, so I just gelled my edges back first with some got to be glued gel and blow dried it. Then I just do the glue, and no, my edges do not get pulled out or fall out because I properly take it off, and I just don't snatch it off. And now I'm just going to apply the wig and make sure I do the elastic band first, and then I'm just going to start by like the left side, putting my part where I want it, and just it's kind of like, I guess, self-explanatory, but and I just pull it down, and then I put my hands on each side of my head and like rub the temple area. Then I'm going to take my electric hot comb and just like press down and like smooth the edges, but I'm also like pressing down into the glue to like make some heat touch the glue, make it adhere even more. So I'm just going to do that to my liking. I'll take a blow dryer. Don't mind my faces, it was pretty hot. I had it on high heat, and then I'm just going to blow dry it and like press into it, get the glue to stick even more. And after I have all the lace cut off, I'm just going to press down a little bit more on the lace, and then I'm going to take a bandana and wrap it around and let it sit on there for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I will come back and show you guys and start my makeup. And this is what it is looking like. Looking like it's going from my scalp, period, honey. And this is a wig I had since like the spring. I had highlighted it and I forgot about it, so I just got it out and cut it into like a short little bob. So, and that is it. And then we're going to go into the makeup. So now it's time for a foundation. I'm using the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation, like the shade like 210. I'm just going to blend it out with the beauty blender. And then after that, I'll just apply some concealer. Concealer I'll be using is the LA Pro Girl in Warm Honey, and then I'm using the Urban Decay in the shade Medium Warm Light, I believe, something like that. So I just blend that out, and I'm gonna set it with some setting powder from Huda Beauty and the shade or whatever, Pound Cake. I'm just gonna apply that to my forehead, upper lip, chin, under eyes. And then I'm going to go in with some bronzer by Fenty. I kind of went OD with it, but in the shade, I believe this is Cocoa Mommy. I think it's the darkest one. I'm just gonna apply some eyelashes, and these are some mink eyelashes from my own brand in the style Miss China. Then I'm gonna apply them, and then I'm gonna apply some lipstick, well, lip liner from MAC in the shade Chestnut, and then I'm gonna use some nude gloss by P. Louise, and I believe it's called Holla. And that will conclude this look. I do have some pictures at the end. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, show love, even share it. I will see you guys in my next videos.